Next is the formula for finding the percentile that corresponds to a specific data entry x. First, we need to arrange the data in ascending order, and then we need to take the number of data entries that are less than x, divide it by the total number of data entries, and then multiply that by 100. And then finally round to the nearest whole number. So the data needs to be sorted, and I do want to show how you can sort the data on your calculator. The tuition costs in thousands of dollars for 25 universities are listed. So we have 25 data points, and these are not in order. So we need to first organize them. So on the calculator, I want to press the Stat button to go to the Stat menu. And I'm already under the Edit column, and I want to select the Edit command. So I want to type all of my data into L1, which is list 1. And then I want to quit out, so press second quit, which is the mode button, and then go back into the Stat menu. And this time I want to select Sort A, and that stands for sorting the list in ascending order. So Sort A now appears on the home screen, and I need to select List 1. So that is second, and then the 1 key will type List 1. And then you can close parentheses, or you don't have to, and press Enter. And now my list is sorted. So if you go back into the Stat menu and select Edit, then you'll see that the list has been sorted. 9 says, find the percentile that corresponds to $30,000 and explain what this means. So 30,000 is right here. And again, our formula is the number of data entries less than x over the total number of data entries, and then multiply that by 100. So there are 9 data entries less than 30. So this is 9, and we have 25 total data entries. So 9 over 25 times 100 is equal to 36. So this will be the 36th percentile, which means the tuition cost of $30,000 is greater than 36% of the other tuition costs.